Hey guys, I'm gonna play some CS:GO. Just gonna buy my guns. Here we go. Okay, gonna find the key. Here we go. Let's do this. Just gonna just gonna rush. Can't do it. Okay, just gonna. It's a wall. Okay. Okay, just gotta check your corners. Go. Did I do it? I just gotta rush B. I'm trying to figure out where B is. I'm rushing B. And that's how you get a successful game of Gmod. Serious trouble.